SmartCityCoin Testnet is a project aimed at people who would like to deeply understand energy, but are not geeky enough to construct their own hardware or write their own apps. That is why Smart City team provides smart house hardware, apps and services for the members of our community, enabling them to start monitoring their energy usage in real time. Joining Smart City Community also presents a business opportunity to all community members, as they will be able to collect SCCTN tokens in exchange for their energy data. We are incorporating the blockchain technology and SCCTN Utility Token to provide transparency, traceability, and safety of the entire network and community. The Smart City project has upgraded the Smart House software and hardware with advanced blockchain technology. The main reason for it is to establish a utility token, a digital cryptocurrency that utilizes data on energy contributions. Our technology offers a transparent, secure storage of information about community members' contributions. The main functionality of the SCCTN token is to be used as a payment in our web shop. We plan to offer additional functionality that will serve when interacting with utilities. Members will be paid in SCCTN for contributing data and exchanging experiences with other users. SCCTN token is the key part of infrastructure for building community of smart houses by sharing experience about energy use. Become part of Smart City Testnet community. Save your energy and let your home earn tokens while you're away.